something, the way we make, it's all chemistry, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering. First of all, most of you are faculty members. When we study basic sciences, like periodic table, Reynolds number, your Thevenin, Norton, Green's theorem, all these things, Stokes theorem. Okay, so all these things, Laplace transforms, Z transforms, don't think that it has no application. So all these things are there. If you have no base in this, you cannot design a chip. If you have no base in this, you cannot design a rocket. So semiconductor, not only electronics, product is electronics, you should have a good knowledge of mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science. Nowadays a lot of things are being, monotonous things are being done by the computer, that's all. Computer has no brain at all. You are telling what he is doing. He is a god slave, that's the only thing. Okay, so it's a basically thermodynamics. The balls and all those things are being used. Strength of material, your Young's modulus kind of thing. So everything is used if you have to make a product, if you have to design a product. Without that, you cannot make. So there are around 7, 8, you can say various disciplines which are required in semiconductors. When we talk, I worked for more than 25 years in ISRO space research, where we were making some components for rocket and satellites. And a rocket has around 19 disciplines. It has explosives also. Chemical, chemistry, aeronautics, all astronomy, astrophysics. There are so many, I think 20 branches are there. And ISRO takes people from all these branches. Though 85% are basically electronics, mechanical. Rest are 15% only. But ISRO has around more than 7,000 scientists and more than 15 centers all over India. So semiconductor is a very important area, and if you search the Google, the countries which have these manufacturing bases, it adds to 2 or 3% in their GDP also. And there is a big race that daily you will hear or read some news related to semiconductors. So we have started this in India. Government has a lot of emphasis. We need good manpower. There is a shortage of manpower there, but whatever our colleges are producing, they are not basically, it's a like what the industry needs. We don't want skill, this is something else. BTech, computer science, they are not meant for a skill. Because skill is only doing a particular thing, that's all. But BTech, computer science or MTech or electronics engineering, basically they are for research oriented. That's why there are so many courses of maths, physics, chemistry, they are being done. If you have to make a skill only, you don't have to, there is no need to study all these courses also. So you have to be a very broader like prospects you have to develop, and this industry is very interesting, very exciting, and not very tough. Only thing is whatever we have studied, we have to learn the basic concept, we have to learn the basic fundamentals of that thing. So again, lastly, I congratulate this institutions and the administration, and particularly Director Saab of Tanasaheb Trust for giving emphasis to have organized this thing. You see, all these whatever 1.5 lakh crore infrastructure which the government has cleared, they are basically in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, close to that. Because of PM, that's okay, it's good, he is encouraging, he is putting all this investment. But there is a lot of excitement in Ahmedabad. So every month I go there for 5-6 days. There are only 2-3 universities. IIT Gandhinagar is leading, there is a Nirma, there is a Dhirubhai Ambani, and there is one more university. So a lot of people, a lot of excitement in electronics. And because of investments are there is a full Dholera, I think vast, maybe thousands, I think more than 10,000 acres of land. Plot, they are developing an area, they are putting a special airport there, very big roads, a lot of like development is being done there. Another plant is in Guwahati, near Guwahati, at 60-70 miles from Guwahati. So we have lagged behind. Only thing is now there is an opportunity in this particular area, from not only from employment point of view, but from other point of view as well. So we have to take note of these things and learn well, study well. Whenever all these conferences, workshops are organized, these are not merely networking things, but lot of good technical talks are there. So please take full advantage of these things. Pose as many questions as possible and try to learn something, and same thing you can so pass on to your students. So with this, thank you, Dr. Kamra.